Welcome to this CTEVT Pharmacy License Exam Preparation video. In this video, I've combined multiple important MCQs from previous CTEVT Pharmacy License exams. Each question is designed to help you revise key topics and improve your exam readiness. Listen carefully, try to answer each question before the correct answer is revealed, and test your knowledge. Let's begin the quiz and see how many you can get right.
Question 1. The term hospital is derived from a Latin word hospitalis, B. Greek word hospitalia, C. Latin word Aesculapia, D. All of the above. Correct answer, A. Latin word hospitalis. Question 2. Supportive services of the hospital include all, except A. Pharmacy services, B. Laboratory services, C. Housekeeping services, D. Radiodiagnostic services. Correct answer, C. Housekeeping services. Question 3. Which of the following is not a classification of hospital on the basis of A. Ownership and control, B. Number of beds, C. Clinical service, D. Medical staff. Correct answer, D. Medical staff. Question 4. Allopathic, Ayurvedic and homeopathic are the classification of hospitals based on A. System of medicine adopted for treatment, B. Cost, C. Ownership and control, D. Number of beds. Correct answer, A. System of medicine adopted for treatment. Question 5. Small, medium and large hospitals are the classification of hospitals based on A. System of medicine adopted for treatment, B. Cost, C. Ownership and control, D. Number of beds. Correct answer, D. Number of beds.
Question 6. All of those establishments that are privately owned and whose function is to serve the community needs for both drug products and pharmaceutical services is A. Community pharmacy, B. Hospital pharmacy, C. Social service, D. Nuclear pharmacy. Correct answer is A. Community pharmacy. Question 7. A member of a vocation founded upon specialized educational training is a Profession, B. Personality, C. Professionalism, D. Professional. Correct answer is D. Professional. Question 8. The expertness characteristic of a professional person or organization is A. Profession, B. Personality, C. Professionalism, D. All of the above. Correct answer is C. Professionalism. Question 13. Epidemiological triad includes all except A. Agent, B. Host, C. Environment, D. Microorganism. Correct answer, D. Microorganism. Question 14. Primordial prevention is intended to prevent which type of diseases? A. Accidental, B. Acute, C. Chronic, D. All of the above. Correct answer, C. Chronic. Question 15. Definition of health education by World Health Organization Expert Committee on Health Education is A. Concerned with changes in knowledge, feeling and behavior of people, B. A process of growth in an individual by which he alters his behavior towards health practice, C. A process through which people are helped to learn to achieve health into individual and community behavior,
D. A process through which people are helped to learn to achieve health through their own action and efforts. Correct answer D. A process through which people are helped to learn to achieve health through their own action and efforts. Question 16. Oral contraceptives failure in rifampicin therapy is due to their A. Decreased excretion, B. Increased absorption, C. Increased metabolism, D. Inhibition of cyst formation. Correct answer C. Increased metabolism. Question 17. All of the following are important functions of magnesium except A. Nerve conduction, B. Phospholipid synthesis, C. Muscle contractility, D. Carbohydrate fat and electrolyte metabolism. Correct answer B. Phospholipid synthesis. Question 18. The blood of a reckless driver contains 0.1% alcohol. Express the concentration of alcohol in parts per million. A. 100 ppm, B. 1000 ppm, C. 1 ppm, D. 250 ppm. Correct answer B. 1000 ppm. Question 19. A solution contains 1.25 milligrams of a drug per milliliter. At what rate should the solution be infused in drops per minute if the drug is to be administered at a rate of 80 milligrams per hour? 1 milliliter equals 30 drops. A. 64 drops per minute, B. 2, C. 32, D. 20. Correct answer A. 64 drops per minute. Question 20. Which one of the following statements regarding responding to symptoms is incorrect? A. Family history should be taken while attending to symptoms of patients. B. Minor symptoms can be managed by non-prescribing medication. C. Effective questioning is essential in order to obtain relevant information. D. Confirmation of symptoms described by patient can be skipped as per need basis. Correct answer D. Confirmation of symptoms described by patient can be skipped as per need basis.
Question 21. A patient receives long-term high-dose therapy with sulfonamide. After 3 weeks of therapy, the patient has a low-grade fever, rash, and muscle and joint pain. Which type of hypersensitivity accounts for these symptoms? A. Type 1, B. Type 2, C. Type 3, D. Type 4. Correct answer C. Type 3. Question 22. The real-time stability testing condition for Nepal is A. 30 degrees Celsius plus or minus 2, B. 30 degrees Celsius plus or minus 2 and 65% relative humidity plus or minus 5, C. 30 degrees Celsius plus or minus 2 and 75% relative humidity plus or minus 5, D. 40 degrees Celsius plus or minus 2 and 75% relative humidity plus or minus 5. Correct answer C. 30 degrees Celsius plus or minus 2 and 75% relative humidity plus or minus 5. Question 23. 6 sigma 6 level indicates the process variation. A. 233.0 parts per million defects. B. 2.33 parts per million defects. C. 3.40 parts per million defects. D. 99.98% defect free. Correct answer C. 3.40 parts per million defects. Question 24. Premises used for the manufacturing of medicines. A. Should be constructed as economically as possible. B. Do not have to control entry of pests if all processes are fully enclosed. C. Only needs maintenance when something breaks down. D. Should be designed and constructed to facilitate good sanitation.
Correct answer. D. Should be designed and constructed to facilitate good sanitation. Question 25. The purpose of operational qualification is to check A. Has it been built correctly? B. Has it been designed correctly? C. Does it produce product correctly? D. The dynamic attributes of a piece of equipment and whether it works correctly. Correct answer. D. The dynamic attributes of a piece of equipment and whether it works correctly.
Great job completing the quiz. I hope these CTEVT pharmacy license exam questions helped you revise important topics and boost your confidence. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more pharmacy exam preparation videos. Keep practicing and stay consistent. Success is just one step away. Thanks for watching and see you in the next quiz.